The TOKIT Omni Cook Smart Multifunctional Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can help with a variety of cooking tasks, including sous vide, kneading, chopping, and steaming. With a 7-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi-enabled features, it offers access to more than 3,000 guided recipes, making it a great tool for novice and experienced cooks alike. The appliance has a 2.3 QD, 2.2 L capacity and can handle temperatures up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, allowing you to cook a variety of different foods. Whether you're making a small batch of cookies or cooking a large roast, this appliance has you covered. Some of the standout features of the TOKIT Omni Cook Smart Multifunctional Food Processor include its touchscreen interface, which makes it easy to select the right settings for your cooking needs. It also comes with a variety of accessories, including a sous vide rack and steaming basket, which make it even more versatile. Overall, the TOKIT Omni Cook Smart Multifunctional Food Processor is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can help with a variety of cooking tasks. With its touchscreen interface, guided recipes, and Wi-Fi enabled features, it offers a lot of value for its price.